Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a baking pan so for extremely cheap. So let us start it. So we'll just open TEMU. So here we have TEMU. So TEMU is a online shopping a marketplace that delivers the product to the consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here I will just run TEMU.com and at here I will search for the baking pan. So here I will see for the baking pan. So I will just see for this as $3.8, $3.48. Okay. So here you can see the other options also. So here I will just see. So this is a stainless steel pan. Okay, baking pan. So here we can see. So it comes in different sizes also, two sizes. If you see the review, it's a very good reviewed product. Okay. So here we can see the detail. So it is a universal appliance. You can just use in your microwave, oven, or anywhere else. Okay. So here we can see the size also. So here we can see the size. You can stop the video and see the size. So it comes in two size. So you can just do it like this. Okay. So by baking, you're making your breakfast and other things. So to buy, you will just click on add to cart button. Then you will just click on the buy button, then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a baking pan on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.